Hello my dear friends, today you are watching such a dynamic group of Resira Defense Academy. First, I would like to congratulate all of you. You have cleared the stage 1 and now we are facing stage 2. You all are dynamic? You are agree with my opinion?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your voice is just like a soldier voice. मेरे प्यारे साथियों, जो भी हमारे इस ग्रुप डिस्कशन बैच को देख रहा है, आज हम एक बेस्ट ग्रुप डिस्कशन और उससे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन करने वाले हैं, सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन। और इस वीडियो को मैं यूट्यूब पे डाल रहा हूं। हमारे यहाँ पे 7 कैंडिडेट बैठे हुए हैं और 7 में से जो बेस्ट कैंडिडेट हो आपकी तरफ से आप लिख के भेजिए बेस्ट कैंडिडेट, चेस्ट नंबर 1, चेस्ट नंबर 2, चेस्ट नंबर 3, सो ऑन, जो भी आपको बेस्ट लगे। जो भी मेरे दोस्त इस वीडियो को देख रहे होंगे उनको ये बताना है कि बेस्ट कैंडिडेट कौन है। और मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि जिसके पक्ष में ज्यादा कमेंट आएंगे उसको एक कंसोलेशन प्राइज जरूर मिलेगा। तो हम वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव मच मोर टाइम। द टॉपिक इज वेरी वेरी सिंपल। व्हाट इज द टॉपिक? One nation, one election. So topic is very very simple. So but before that you have to brief about yourself, means your self introduction. So first we start from chest number 1 or chest number 9.
As you
So this is my wish.
Yes, sir.
So I would like to start from chest number 9, descending order. At the last moment chest number 1 will come, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start now.
Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep Kumar from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my education qualification is concerned, that I did metric 80% and intermediate 86% and pursuing BSc in mathematics. As far as my family background is concerned, that I did that my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker, and my hobbies are listening music and play cricket. Sir, my goal is to join Indian Air Force. Thank you guys.
I am Rakesh Gujjar from Jaipur, Rajasthan. If I concern about my education, and I did matric with 76% marks and intermediate with 61% marks, and I had done my BSc with 65% marks. Now I am pursuing B.Ed. If I concern about my family details, and my father is serving in Indian Army and my mother is a homemaker. We are 2 siblings. I am elder one. My hobbies are playing cricket and dancing. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Joni Singh. I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my education concern is, I did my matric with 80%. I did my intermediate with 75%. As far as my family concern is, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. We are 4 siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music. My aim is to join to Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Vinay Yadav from Jaipur district of Rajasthan. As far as my education qualification is concerned, I did 10th class with 84%, I did 12th class with 78%. Now I pursue BSc in mathematics. As far as my family background is concerned, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. My hobbies are to playing cricket and reading newspapers. Now I want to join Indian Air Force.
Hello guys, I am Kunal Taylor and I am from Sikar, Rajasthan. And about my family, my father is working in electricity department and my mother is a homemaker. And we are 2 siblings. I have one elder sister. I have done my 12th class with 70% marks and now I am pursuing BSc. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music, and now my goal is to join Indian Air Force. Thank you.
Good morning, gentlemen. My name is Dharampal Yadav, Health, Jaipur district of Rajasthan. I have done my intermediate with 89% and my graduation with 71%, University of Rajasthan. And now I pursue my post-graduation in mathematics stream. As far as I concern my family background, my father is farmer and my mother is homemaker. We are 3 siblings in my family. My hobby is gardening. My aim is to join the Indian Air Force. Thank you for listening.
Good morning friends, I am Vijender Gujjar from Jaipur, Rajasthan. As far as my family is concerned, my father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. As far as my education is concerned, I did matric with 84% and intermediate with 70%. My hobbies are playing volleyball and playing cricket. My aim is to join Indian Air Force. Jai Hind.
Today I am very happy to discuss our topic One Nation, One Election. Election is the most fundamental requirement of requirement to
Yes, my friend.
operational democracy.
Yes, my
Yes,
dear
in a
friend,
dependent
election
country,
are
we are.
most
India is a democratic country. Democratic
Excuse
country.
me, guys.
Election is a more
This
fundamental
way
thing.
we have not
Then
proper.
But my
we talk about the discussion by election.
Yes, my friend. First, we are say that India is a democratic country, and in democratic country,
You are saying
election is a
right,
necessary
but election
process.
is necessary.
So,
But my
in
friend,
India, in present time, election are conducting for Lok Sabha and Vidhan
You are
Sabha,
saying right,
IPR and
because we are a
Rajya
good
Sabha
leader
for
for
4 years.
our country.
Yes, my dear friend, in democracy, the election is play a vital role, and the elected candidate also serve public. But the election is not should be become as a at most important factor in
But in
democracy.
but in one election,
Election is
no code is
limited.
that is
It is
called
not
Asan
dependent
Sanhita.
on
That time can be
democracy.
decrease the
You are saying right, election is
de-
important for
development
country
can
because
be-
we should elect one
Yes, my dear
one
friend,
party for
it
a
is-
real time because
Yes, my friend, you say right, but to conduct a election in our country, we
we should elect a party for single time
Yes, my
because
friend.
Yes,
Why
my
is
dear
it
friend,
that election commission can be get
If
reduced
a voter also
one nation,
vote
one
for
election?
Lok Sabha and Rajya
Okay,
Sabha.
stop, my dear friend. Now I am dividing the group among two equal parts. So from chest number 9 to chest number last chest number 5. This is the A group and this is B group. You all three will discuss together. The rest you people will stop and you have to start discussion.
Yes, sir. Today we talk about the topic that was given by sir. That is called one nation, one election. In the democratic, after independence, India, our country is a democratic country. Then the foundation of democratic country is election. Election is let.
yes, my friend, you say right, but
necessary for India because the politician.
Just wait, my dear friends. You have to be very natural. Everybody have the points. You have commendable points. Why are you hesitant? You are very confident. Be cheerful. Be natural. Everybody have the ideas. So you all are selected from my side. You are
Selected
so
on your side.
congratulations all of you. But this is just only the formalities. Why you are here? Just only formalities. You are already recommended because you have knowledge, you have confidence, your communication style is very good. Your eye contact, your way of speaking, your gesture and posture, all are well. Really, I appreciate your ideas. But now, recently I got a call from the higher authorities. I have only just 2 vacancies. How many vacancies are there?
Two vacancies.
And how many students are here?
70.
So this is my compulsion to have select only 2 candidates. So who want to get select?
I am
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Everybody want to get select?
Yes,
sir.
So just I would like to give just only 1 minute. How much time?
1 minute.
1 minute. Within the 1 minute, I will decide who are the 2 best candidates. You have to prove yourself you are the best, right?
Yes, sir.
So your time start now.
We are discussing
Hello,
about
hello,
the
friends.
GTO,
One session, one election. Excuse me, guys. Please be respect. Last time I report that
In democracy, the
that
election
is
is a
friends. I have
fundamental
important point because
democracy.
majority would elect a party they are not for the country. They are not the mechanism. They get
Yes, my dear friend, election also
country
most
should elect
important
And our country some
parties leader
one
one
nation.
Election
So election one nation can decide the extra burden on electoral council.
You are saying right, we should elect one time because the Congress party
And the vigilance
Their
get
voting.
coming.
Okay, right, friends. It is very difficult to get select 2 candidates because you all spoke well, you all are knowledgeable. So from my side, you all are selected.
Thank you, sir.
You all are selected. But this is my last wish. You have to fulfill.
Yes, sir.
Just each and every candidate just give 1 point from starting from this side and after that this side. Rest of the candidate they will listen and the single candidate will speak. Right? So we are going to start from chest number 3.
Yes, sir.
After that 4, then 9, 8, 5, 1 and 2 in that manner, anti-clockwise. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So will you start first?
I am, sir.
Okay. Rest of the candidate will not speak at any cost. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Today I am very happy to discuss discussion over topic one nation, one election. Election is the most important in our country. Election are the mean to serve people. It is not dependent. It is not the most important over democracy. Election is the most over country.
Right. Next.
First of all, we can say India is a democratic country. So, for democratic country, election is also necessary for this. In India, election are conducting for 4 year and 5 year for Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. In India, many states are conducting election many times year by year. So we can say in India, in rural areas, many people are no educated. So they are no thinking that in this time what election are
Okay.
conducted.
Next.
In our country, election is very important. But to conduct a stimulus election, we can change our amendment in constitution. Voters of majority in India, they cannot know about a mechanism, so they did got confused. In our political leaders are divided in parties for religion, so they do work for religion party. Thank you.
Okay. Next.
Yes, we are all known that one or more than one nation, one state conducted a election every year. Then the time of development getting decreasing, and the vigilance and transparency became more by the policy of one nation, one policy, and the booth capturing, black money, extra get reduced by the one nation, one election. The DM and the CM, PM can get time to the development of nation, and the extra burden
Okay.
on the
Next.
The simultaneous election necessary for India. Because the politicians are focused on their people's, don't disturb the public places, not disturb traffic roads, and the most important, the save of time, election commission, and save money for Indian economy.
My friends, I am agree with you, but I want a important point for this topic. Election is necessary for our country because we should elect a party for single time, because we saw many years a Congress party doing to their according to their. So we should elect a party one time
Okay,
because
next.
we reduce
Next.
booth capturing like this.
In my personal opinion, one nation, one election is important for India because we see in election time the model of code is applied, and there are many appointment and many scheme which launched by old government we cannot launch it. So and it is a light and burden for election commission. So in my personal opinion, one nation, one election is.
Yes, I agree with you, my friend.
Okay. Just wait. Everybody got the chance.
Yes, sir.
Anyone have more point?
Yes, sir.
Just roughly again, you get the chance.
Election are the most fundamental requirement to operationalize the democracy.
Okay, right. So who is really favoring the election should be simultaneous. Really, who is favoring? Election should be simultaneous. Simultaneous समझ लो कि चुनाव एक साथ होने चाहिए. Generally, the election commission conducted two kind of the election. There is Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha and state elections. Those people who are favoring the election in the one nation should be as simultaneous. एक समय पे होनी चाहिए because it's a huge expenditure of the elections. विधानसभा के इलेक्शन अलग हो रहे हैं, लोकसभा के इलेक्शन हो रहे हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप के हो रहे हैं. हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वो डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. पॉलिटिकल पीपल गांव में जा जाके लोगों को डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं. तो अगर ये एक टाइम पे होता है फॉर 5 ईयर, So that will be more beneficial for the entire nation, as well as we can save our expenses, right? So that particular expenses which we are used on big elections for the nation development. But अदर साइड क्या नुकसान है कि अगर एक टाइम पे हम चुनाव कंडक्ट करते हैं तो द बिगेस्ट लॉस, इफ द पर्सन विल इलेक्ट फॉर द 5 times, the person will not do any kind of the job because they feel that this is their fundamental right and I am elected for the next 5 years. They will not do it anywhere. Suppose there is a central government of Bharatiya Janata Party in center, and there is a Congress party in any state. They have the competition. If they will do good work in the state, then definitely they will again win the election. In the same way in the center. So everybody has a different opinion. My viewers, I am really requesting all of you, those who are looking into this video, you have to really appreciate all those candidates who has done well in this group discussion, and I really appreciate all of you from the core of my heart, because you all are from Hindi medium, from village background, and now your standard has improved lot. From my side, you all selected, and definitely I believe you will achieve your aim and you will be the part of Indian Air Force.
Thank you, sir.
Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
you are happy with your performance?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right? My viewers, I am again requesting you, just comment on this video who is the best candidate. From my side, all are best. Thank you.